Keep it with you. These are for you. The one with the eight roses. Good. Bhargavi and Vaishnavi and Vijay. Pranati. So I don't deserve this, but
अगर का नहीं टॉप फर्स्ट टॉप में है हमें चलेंगे
congratulations to all the viewers of Tambora. You will get your prizes soon. Now this is the prize question here for you, and this is for boys. Anyone having genes of talking and prayer? Nice question.
शटर फैल
गाँव में हाई फ्लायर है
Any American genes of talking and prayer? American Eagle. Anybody wants to talk anything? Please come along. 33% reservation. On this situation. No, we are not talking anything. You can monitor about boys. Mostly about Rakesh. From the section B. Rakesh is the combining of CSP. Please give it starting game for you. This is a game.
Right, Jargana nahi.
Jargana. Again, usually some comments will be coming, so don't bother those things. We have to take. You have to be sportive and no commenting in the colleges can remain safe. Anything happens, just to get that. So this is a game where we have some 5 competitions and 4 players. Competition between boys and girls. So whoever wins, it is thing that whoever wins, they should compromise to others. They should, so if boys win, the girls should compromise to boys, and if boys compromise, only something important generally if you get discussion.